When it comes to price, the Nissan Rogue offers a more budget-friendly option, making it attractive for those looking to save without sacrificing SUV essentials. Under the hood, the Lincoln Corsair boasts a more powerful intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 engine, promising a thrilling drive. The Corsair leads with 250 horsepower, delivering a stronger punch compared to the Rogue's 201 horsepower. Torque figures also favor the Corsair, providing 280 lb-ft versus the Rogue's 225 lb-ft, translating to better acceleration and towing capability. The Corsair features an 8-speed automatic transmission with dual shift mode, offering smoother and more dynamic gear changes than the Rogue's CVT. The larger 2.0-liter engine in the Corsair indicates more power potential compared to the Rogue's 1.5-liter. Fuel efficiency swings in favor of the Rogue, which achieves an impressive 29 city/36 highway mpg, ideal for daily commuters. Both SUVs have nearly identical wheelbases, with the Rogue slightly longer by 0.3 inches, impacting interior space subtly. The Nissan Rogue is a bit longer overall, which could translate to more cargo space or legroom. The Rogue stands taller at 67 inches, which may affect headroom and driving visibility. In summary, the 2026 Lincoln Corsair excels in power and refined transmission, perfect for those craving performance and luxury. Meanwhile, the 2026 Nissan Rogue shines with superior fuel economy and a more accessible price point, ideal for practical daily driving.